Hi everyone, we got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2025 Heritage Softail in Billiard Gray with the wagon wheels, or the mag wheels I guess you'd call it. I really like these wheels on there though, especially with the black front end. Got LED headlights up front with LED passing lamps and LED turn signals. These bikes now come with a 117 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. You have ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control. You also have the ride modes on here, which is convenient button right there. So you have a rain mode, road mode, and a sport mode. Still get the locking saddlebags. I did switch up the back half a little bit. LED turn signals and then a new LED tail light. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.